Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you my ultimate guide on achieving flawless skin without the worry of stretch marks. It's a journey I've personally embarked on, and today I'll be revealing the secrets and products that have been game changers in my skincare routine. So let's dive right in and discover how to maintain smooth, healthy looking skin while preventing those pesky stretch marks. 1. The importance of body skincare products. Body skincare products have played a crucial role in my quest for flawless skin. They are specifically designed to address the unique needs of the skin on your body. One of the primary concerns for many is the prevention of stretch marks, and these products have proven to be a valuable ally in this endeavor. 2. Quality moisturizer. Your skin's best friend. A quality moisturizer is a cornerstone of my skincare routine. I love using products that are rich in nourishing ingredients like shea butter or cocoa butter. These ingredients provide intense hydration to the skin and go a step further by improving the skin's elasticity. Enhanced skin elasticity makes it less prone to stretch marks, especially during times of significant change, such as pregnancy or weight fluctuations. 3. Body oil. Lock in hydration and promote collagen. Body oil has been a game changer for me. Applying oil after showering helps to lock in moisture and keep my skin supple. Not only does it provide a wonderful feeling of hydration, but it also promotes blood circulation and collagen production. Over time, this contributes to reducing the appearance of stretch marks, making your skin more resilient and less prone to their formation. 4. Targeted creams and serums. The secret weapons. One of the secret weapons in my skincare arsenal is the use of targeted creams and serums. These products are specially formulated to help fade existing stretch marks and prevent new ones from forming. They often contain potent ingredients such as retinol or hyaluronic acid, which works wonders in improving the texture and tone of the skin. Incorporating these products into your routine can make a noticeable difference in achieving flawless skin. 5. The art of application. Massaging for effectiveness. The application technique can significantly impact the results of your skincare routine. To get to the best results, I always make sure to thoroughly massage the products into my skin, focusing on the areas prone to stretch marks. This not only enhances the effectiveness of the products, but also ensures even distribution. A gentle, circular massage motion can help improve blood circulation and product absorption. There you have it, my skincare routine revealed. By incorporating these body skincare products and techniques into my daily routine, I've been able to achieve flawless skin without worrying about stretch marks. All about nourishing, hydrating, and taking care of your skin, especially during significant life changes when it's most vulnerable to stretch marks. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found these tips and product recommendations helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Remember, your skin is your canvas, and with the right care, you can achieve a flawless masterpiece. Take care of your skin, and I'll see you in the next video.